Hi friend, how are you guys? Today, I will tell you about camping trends and location statistics you need to know. Where are the most popular places to go camping? 40% of the adventure tourism market is dominated by Europe. The mountain region has a camping participation rate of 19%, making it the highest in the US. 13% of trips to campgrounds were under 50 miles from home in 2014. This has risen to 31% in 2018. 54% of campers travel less than 100 miles from home to their destination. 60% of nights are spent in public campgrounds or public land. 56% of baby boomers and 54% of mature campers are less likely to change their travel habits. Younger campers are more likely to extend their trips and include more weekends away. Since 2015, camping in national parks and state parks has declined. However, in 2018, in national parks and state parks amongst African American/Black and Asian it is at an all-time high. 40% of households say that the campsite's quality has the most impact on their selection, specifically older campers. 25% stated that the atmosphere in the camp is an influential factor. In 2018, the top factors that influenced the campground selection were campground atmosphere, 24%, campground location, 22%, quality of campsites at the campground, 18%, availability of the cabins, 9%, the types of sites available, 12%, the on-site recreations opportunities, 5%, and Wi-Fi availability, 3%. 40% of millennials and Generation Z stated that recreation is an important factor in their vacation experience. 37% of baby boomers and 34% of mature campers agree. 50% of campers believe that clean bathrooms are the most important factor when staying at a campsite. 23% believe that allowing pets is the most important factor. 21% believe being child-friendly is the most important, and 20% stated that offering recreational activities is the most important. 90% of campers leave campsites to take part in other activities, such as sightseeing, dining or other outdoor recreational opportunities. 43% of campsite reservations are made on the day of arrival. Western US campers and Canadian campers are more likely to travel long distances for their camping trips. More so in the last 4 years, it has become common for people to travel closer to home to camp, specifically amongst the younger generation. 13% of trips were under 50 miles from home in 2014, this has risen to 31% in 2018. Statistics show it has also become a popular escape for those who want to remain healthy, with 90% of campers leaving campsites to take part in other activities. Campers are looking to take part in adventure activities like rock climbing or hiking, specifically in European locations, as 40% of the adventure tourism market is dominated there. Campsite quality is the most important factor when selecting a campsite, specifically clean bathrooms, as 50% of campers stated that clean bathrooms are the most important factor when selecting a campsite. Source: The Wandering RV, KOA, Outdoor Industry. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for next upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video.